like that, and then you fold it back, and then fold both sides in to the middle. Make sure they don't pass the crease. And then flip it over and do that again. Go. And we got these sides. And just fold this down into it. So now it should look like this. I'll fold it back up. I recommend doing this with a weaker, lighter paper, because then it's easier to do all these folds. There we go. Fold that one, and then fold the other side. Perfectly in line with this one. Just like that. Perfect. All you have in mind still, recommend doing this so it doesn't fall or spin on you. And then you finish the phoenix.